Most people believe that chewing on sticks is just an old, odd habit. But what if it's actually a secret to living longer? Chewing on bamboo sticks naturally stimulates saliva production, which protects teeth and gums, reducing inflammation linked to aging. Studies show that the physical act of chewing tough, natural fibers can activate mTOR and AMPK pathways, which play roles in cellular repair and longevity. Unlike processed snacks, bamboo is chemical-free and rich in silica for strong teeth. Would you try this ancient practice for better health?